Ladies and gentlemen, it's been 140 days since two sadhus were murdered by a bloodthirsty mob in front of the Maharashtra police. The Uddhav Thackeray government has done nothing. The investigation under the Sonia Sena government has made no headway. Tonight, the mother of the sadhu is appealing for justice. She wants a CBI probe and she must get one. Here is what she said, and then we'll debate.
On the night of April 16th, around 145 kilometers from Mumbai, two sadhus were brutally lynched in the presence of the police. 140 days on, all we have in the name of investigation is this well-edited Bollywood-style footage. No investigation into the conspiracy angle. No action against the cops who handed the sadhus over to the killers. 50% of the accused are still free. The alleged role of hardline left-wing group has been left untouched. And there is no investigation into the death of lawyer linked to the case. Today, the mother of deceased sadhu is appealing for justice.
महाराष्ट्र के ठाकर हमें भरोसा सिपाही के हमें भरोसा ना आई है खड़ा होई कि हमारे लड़के को मरवाएं हमें सीबीआई जांच चाहिए।
आपने और उस चिट्ठी में और क्या लिखा है? क्या आपने किसी से बात करी? क्या सरकार की तरफ से, क्या पुलिस की तरफ से किसी ने आप तक कोई बात करी? कोई पहुंचा आपके पास किसी बात को लेकर?
वह मरे पे बात भा रहा है।
The family of the sadhus want nothing but a CBI probe that will reveal the truth.
हम लोग यही चाहते हैं कि महाराष्ट्र जो जांच कर रहे हैं उस पर कोई भरोसा नहीं है। हमको सीबीआई जांच चाहिए और हम लोग उससे ही संतुष्ट होने वाले हैं।
The central government too has hinted at the conspiracy angle.
मैं मानता हूं कठोर से कठोर कार्यवाही होनी चाहिए और षड्यंत्र का पूरा पर्दाफाश होना चाहिए और षड्यंत्र के एंगल को भी सीनियर मोस्ट लेवल से उसकी जांच होनी चाहिए।
Should the Maharashtra government now hand over the probe to the central agency to ensure that there is justice? Let's debate.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.